Welcome to Eat Travel Life. Today we are making cherry pie fluff. It's just a fluff, no crust. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Medium to a large bowl, we're going to add in our vanilla pie filling, and you want it to be instant pie filling, not the cook kind. But this is going to go south quick. Vanilla. To that, you're going to add in a can of cherry pie filling. I use black cherry pie filling that I made myself, and you're going to see that this turns kind of a gray color. Don't be dismayed, it's the gray stuff. It's the gray stuff that's great. So we're going to mix that together, and it's going to seem a little grainy, but you're going to want to just trust the process. Mix this together. You want it to get nice and somewhat creamy. Just mix it together really well. And then we are going to add in our whipped topping, the whole tub. This needs to be thawed. If you have it frozen, this is going to go south. Gently but thoroughly mix this together. You're going to want to do this by hand. You're not going to want to use a hand mixer or a mixer at all. Just mix it together, keep doing it, and trust the process. This will come together. It's going to look like it's not going to come together because I stopped and stared at it for a second, and it comes together. Trust the process. And I was expecting this to be a lot more red in color, but because it's the black cherry pie filling that I use, not red, so I went and got maraschino cherry juice and I added about a tablespoon to try to brighten it up and make it red, because I didn't want to use food coloring, because I'm also afraid that if I put the food coloring in there, people are going to smile and have red in between their teeth. So I went with cherry juice because I thought that would help. It did brighten it up some, and if you can put that in or not put it in, it's your choice. But just continue to stir and look at it, and if you feel that you need to add more cherry juice in, you can. If you don't want it to and you just want to call it the gray stuff, you can do that too. The cherry juice is just going to enhance the cherry flavor. This is so good. It's a great side for the summer, for the winter, any gathering that you're having with family, and it's just light and delicious. So once it's all put together, all you have to do is let it set for a couple hours, and then you can serve it, and it does look delicious. Let me know in the comments if you've made this before. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.